Question number 4, Chantal is asking, how often should pricing change? A very good question. In the very beginning, when you just launch your product, you will be testing your pricing. You have your pricing, your ideal pricing is cost of production landed times 5. Not everybody can start with COPL times 5 from the very beginning. You may have to start with COPL times 3 because your order volume in manufacturing are too low and your cost of production are high. So in the very beginning, you will be testing anyway. You will need to figure out this sweet spot. Where do you have a good margin for your product and where your clients are willing to buy. It's not always like you've set up a price and everybody wants to buy for this price. Sometimes you need to find the price what people are willing to buy for, and it lasts for some time. After that, when you figured out, yes, this is the price my clients are willing to buy my product for, then you do not change your price. And I do not like price changes as a sales strategy, so I would not do much with pricing as a sales strategy. I like changing your offer as a sales strategy, as a sales instrument. In previous video about the different sales strategies, we have covered several strategies that you can apply, making it attractive to your clients to buy more than one of your products without price discounting. So instead of giving a discount on one product to your clients, I suggest that you give an incentive to your clients to buy more products of yours at a better price together. So give people more products to buy at a better price rather than having one product discounted. This is what I would say about the pricing. And if you need help with your fashion business and support by like-minded people, join our 14 days free trial in Fashion Business Mastermind, the mentorship program that helps you quit fear, gain focus, and streamline your fashion business.